It's a 2018 GMC Yukon XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon XL has even more of it. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers, while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.